What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. In this video, I'm going to show you the first 20 things to do on your Galaxy Tab S7 FE. So let's jump into it. First thing you're going to do is press and hold on your home screen in a blank spot and go into settings. Come in here, and what you want to do is you want to do this. You want to see where it says add new apps to home screen. Turn that on, so anytime you download a new app, it'll add it automatically to your home screen. Next thing in here you want to do is swipe down for notification panel. Make sure you turn that on. Hit your home button. Once you turn that on, this is what you're going to be able to do. You'll be able to bring down your home screen from any location. So you don't have to go all the way to the top to do it. It's a very, very nice feature. Speaking of home screens and things like that, let's swipe up and you're going to be on your app screen. Do this. Hit the three dots in the top right. Go to sort and choose alphabetical order, because it's going to go in custom order, which means your apps are going to be all jumbled up. They're going to be in order by when they were downloaded or to the thing. Just set them alphabetically so it's a lot easier to find them. Trust me, it's going to be a lifesaver. Next up, if you want to turn off this Google feed that you have right here, go to your home screen, press and hold on a blank spot, swipe over, and then you're going to see an on-off switch here. Just can turn that right on and off. And you can see it's not there anymore. It's if you don't like it. I absolutely love it, so I keep it on, but if you want to turn it off, that's how you do it. Next thing you want to do is go into your Galaxy App Store, hit your three lines in the top left, go to Updates, and download up all your updates. Hit Update All, and make sure you download. You're gonna have probably 20 or 30 updates in here. It's mostly Samsung stuff, so go in there, update it. It'll fix bugs that you have in Samsung apps or add features. It's definitely a necessity thing to do, and sometimes it never does it automatically. Now what you want to do is swipe down from the top and hit the gear in the top right to go into settings. Click on connections and then go into Wi-Fi here on the left. Hit the three dots in the top right, go into advanced, and you want to do this. You want to go into network notification, receive notifications when open networks are detected. Turn that off. That's going to get super annoying. You go into an airport, you bring this tablet to someone's house or just a public place, you're going to get these notifications that tell you that there's an open network if there are any. So it's really annoying. I would recommend turning that off so that it doesn't bug you. Going back onto here, go over to the left and tap on sound. Once you're in sound, you're going to go down and you're going to go see sound quality and effects. Tap on that. And you're going to see Dolby Atmos. Turn that on and set it to auto so that it gives you the very best sound for your tablet. Next, click on display on the left side here and set it to dark if you want to get better battery life, or just save your eyes, because the white can get very, very strong in your eyes. Also, if you want, come in here, go into screen mode. I have it at vivid. You probably do too, but if you don't, change it to vivid. You'll get much better colors on there. Screen timeout. Click on that, change it to 2 minutes. That's the perfect time for basically everyone on here. Navigation bar, tap on that, and you can go buttons or gestures. I like buttons on the tablet, but if you want gestures, you can use the buttons. Ultimately, button order as well. I like my back button on the right-hand side, home button on the middle, and then multi-apps on the left there. Also, button position, you can set it to the left, the center. It's on the center by default, or the right. I like it on the right. I tend to have my hand over here more often, so it's easier for me to reach the buttons. I don't have to reach all the way across the screen to do so. Next, go into biometrics and security. Tap on that. Set up your facial recognition, or you can even set up another facial recognition if you want. You can add an alternative look if you have glasses or without glasses, so set that up real easily. Go down a little bit on the left-hand side, go to advanced features, and there's tons of stuff on here. If you want to call and text on other devices, you can call and text from this tablet using your phone number and your mobile plan. So if you have a Galaxy phone, you can turn that on, set that up, and get that into use at that point. Samsung DeX, if you turn that on right here, it's going to allow you to go into their desktop operating system that Samsung created for their tablets and their phones, but the tablets run it natively on the screen. It's a really, really cool interface, and allows you to use Samsung DeX on here. Again, very, very cool. I'll show you real quick. And here it is. Again, it's an operating system built to make it look like almost like a Windows machine. You get these windows that you can easily move around, and you can resize if need be. Open up your gallery, So exactly how you would think of a Windows computer. Here's all your apps. You have your dock at the bottom here that you can click on and open up more stuff. Very, very fun stuff. Check this out. Hook up a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard, and again, you'll have a blast in here. When you want to get out, all you're going to do is by the bottom right, tap where the percentage is, and then you'll see Dex in the middle. Just tap on that and it'll close it out for you. Going back into advanced features, some other stuff. If you want to quick share apps between your Galaxy devices, tap on that and turn that on. You also have labs. I would recommend turning on multi-window for all apps so that you can go multi-window for all apps, and I'll show you that in a minute how you do that. You can show apps in landscape. Choose how to show your apps when your tablet is in landscape orientation. You can come in here and just change it the way you want it to go. This one, pin your favorite apps. If you turn that on, I'll show you that now, I guess. So let's hit the home button. If you swipe over to the right here, you have this little dock here. Hit the 3 lines at the bottom, and then you can do pin. And what this does is it kind of condenses the screen a little bit and allows you to have this dock on the side so you can always quickly open up basically any of these apps that you want on here at all times. So kind of change the orientation of my screen, but it's very cool, very, very handy as well if you want it to be there. Speaking of multi-window, if you want to run multiple windows at once, you will have some saved here, but ultimately I'll just open up the Google Play Store. And then I'm also going to drag another one. I'll open up the gallery app here. So I'm going to drag it. I can drag it to the left or to the right, the middle, wherever I really want. Let's put it over to the right here. And I have multiple apps. If I want to save this, I can just tap these 3 dots right here, and I can do a couple things. I can change the orientation of these apps. I can swap them, or I can save them if I want. If I hit this, it's going to save it as a little favorite over here. So now I have it as a little favorite down here, and I can add more stuff. So if I want to add a third window, maybe I want to add my browser there. So I got my browser loaded up, and I can do the same thing. I can rotate these the way I want them to be. Maybe I like it like that, and maybe I want to save these or swap them. So saved it right there. Very, very handy to multitask and multi-window on here. The next one I would go to is side key. Come in here. When I double press the power button, it'll launch my camera. So you can do that real nicely and easily. Just double press it and it will open up my camera, as you see right there, real quick. Also within here, if you press and hold it, change it to power off unless you really want it to wake up Bixby. I would have it so it turns my tablet off. So I'm gonna press and hold it now. It's gonna bring up my power menu. Go into motions and gestures next. And I basically have all these turned on. Palm swipe to capture, cover to mute, keep screen on while it sees my eyes, double tap to turn on the screen, double tap to turn on the screen as well. It just depends on where you're on empty space or wherever you tap it. If you're looking for software updates, it's right here. Just tap software update, download and install, and see if you have any updates for your tablet. Next, go into camera. And if you want to add more of these menus here at the bottom, just hit more. And maybe I want food to come down here. I'm just going to drag and hold it. And now I have food there. And I can hit save when I'm done if need be. So very, very helpful. If you want to move any of these, all you're going to do is press and hold on it. So we'll go over to Pro. I'm going to press and hold on it. And I can just drag it up here. And now I won't have it down here, and hit save. And now again, you just don't see it at the bottom. You just have to go to more to get back to it. So there you guys go. Those are my first 20 plus things to do on your Galaxy Tab S7 FE. If you want to pick it up, it's linked down below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys down the road. Peace.